Today, we are going to be checking statuses of exports that are going through on our TransVirtual system. So, firstly, I have a consignment in front of me where I can go to the Communication tab and check a consignment export event. As you can see, the export has no color, and there is also an export date. This means that the export went out at 11:19 AM on the 5th of the 1st, 2022. We can also see this by going to EDI, other EDI tools, and Export Monitor. When in the Export Monitor, you can also see all your other exports. For example, an invoice email to customer export was exported 2 weeks ago successfully. Make sure to click into the export that you were checking, and here you can see an example of our consignment. Our consignment has successfully gone through, as you can see that it is green. There is also a forced next attempt button if it was not to go through. What we will do is show a live example of where our export fails. Firstly, I will go into our export and make some negative adjustments. Once these negative adjustments have been made, I will create a new consignment. And as you can see, this consignment status is now red. If we click the Communication tab, we can see that it is still red and pending. So what we will do is go back to EDI, other EDI tools, and then Export Monitor. Now that you're in the page, go into your rule, and then you will see that it is still red and pending. As you can see, we have 0 attempts. If we refresh, we will now have 1 attempt, and we will have notes. As you can see in these notes here, by hovering over this field, we can see that there is an issue with the spelling of consignment number. This is the negative adjustment that we made. What we will now need to do is go back into our rule and correct this negative adjustment. Now that we have spelt consignment number correctly, we can select the Forced Next Attempt button. By selecting this button, you are forcing the next attempt of the export. Now, we can see that this export, due to us fixing it, has successfully exported. You can see this as it will go green. We can see here that it also has 3 attempts, meaning that it was successful on the 3rd attempt. That is how you check your export status. Thank you for watching.